Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the MySQL. So today we are going to learn how to connect to MySQL from the command line. So let's get started how we are going to connect. This is a brand new series of the SQL tutorial. So we are going to learn each and everything about the SQL. Okay, so from the beginning we are going to learn about the SQL connection. So basically SQL is basically like the structured query language where we are using the query to get the data from the database and manipulating the query according to our needs. So all about the SQL we are going to learn in the coming series. So first of all, let's go and check out how to connect to the MySQLs. If I go and check over here, localhost and the PHP my admin. Okay, so I am connecting here like this. Okay, it's connecting all the database files. I'm able to go through it, right? So how to take a full access of that to the command line? So how we are going to connect it with the command line? So the command is mysql minus u. Username is, you have to type, because I have added php my admin when I try to log in, minus p. Okay, username and the password I need to enter. The password is which I have entered. Now you can see that I am logged in into the account of my databases. Right now here I can access my databases, manipulate the databases, I can create the databases, I can show the tables. So all of the things I can handle it from here, right? So this is how you are able to connect to the MySQL from the terminal. One more thing, if the host is not local host and it is on the RDBMS or something else, or it is pointed to the IP, so one thing that should be added over here, that is the host. So don't forget to add minus host over here, and whatever IP it's to be, like 168.160.0.168 or 10, whatever it is. So you need to connect like this. Okay, if the host is not the local host, it's a different, it's pointed to the IP, so you need to add this one. Okay, so any doubt, any query in that, just let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day. We will going to see the next things in the next video. Have a great day.